I had an idea to do something pink. What the hell? Oh, I twisted my nose ring out. Oh, no, 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 no. Get back in there. $70 just went down the fucking drain. The piercing was $50, but the aftercare was $20, so it came up to $70. I saved for that for a really long time. Things like that blow me like to no end. Like, it's too early for it to be lost. That's how you lose the hole and everything. Like, no, not today. There. Makeshift nose ring complete. I was just wiping my face. Did you do this to me? It's not too bad. Chamomile. That was a whole 18 minutes of ordeal. This is why I don't like to brush. I should plan better. This is my Black Radiance Skin Primer. I'm changing the whole thing. I'm no longer doing pink. I can't afford to do pink. I'm in a bad mood, and pink requires patience. Getting good vibes. Eyebrows. Terrible. When I don't have time, when I don't need to doubt, this palette right here makes these two colors. Back in the black just to do eyeliner. Nice. Have a little bit of fun. We'll add a little bit of pink. Well, never mind. No, I won't. Not that pink. We're gonna add this blue. Full cover time. Revlon, mahogany. Bum, bum. My face is doing weird things right now. Do the same one. Mascara, hello. Megaprotein. Black Radiance lengthening. Yoko. Gotta go.
Welcome to the Eastern Shore Express.
Yay!
Where are we going? Where are you taking us?
I'll hold it. I like holding the flowers. There's a lot of dancing and a lot of music. I had to replace my nose ring. This made me so mad.